Students, see the questions given on this page. Find the pairs of rhyming words used at the end of the lines in the poem. You can do yourself. Read the poem aloud using proper intonation. You have to learn to recite. If you were to draw a landscape on the basis of this poem, what elements will you show in it? What colors will you use? That means we can show the elements like sky with rainbow, green grass means the plain area which contains green grass, a lot of flowers, butterflies flying over here and there, children walking along each other, etc. And colors, you can use different colors and you can write using your own imagination. The special arrangement of short lines makes you think about every detail. If you write the sentences in the usual manner, it doesn't have the same effect. For example, the first stanza would be something like, the earth puts forth new life again, green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and the wonder of life spreads all over the plain in time of silver rain. Now try the following. Write one or two sentences about something beautiful using your own experience and imagination. Then rearrange the words in the sentences in a poetic form. You may write about a beautiful day, a beautiful night, a stream, a crop standing in a field, a graceful bird or animal, etc. That means we are suggesting you to write your own poem, first making the sentences and then arranging the words in a proper way to give rhyme scheme and to attempt to write a simple poem. Fill in the blanks with reference to the poem here. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new, the butterflies lift their wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky, as passing boys and girls too go singing down the roadway. Now think and answer. Is the poet talking about heavy rains in the rainy season or rain that has come after a long time? Surely he is talking about the rain that has come after a long time, because it is silver rain, not stormy or heavy rain. Are the boys and girls happy that it is raining? Because they are singing. Boys and girls or children sing naturally when they are happy. Find out the following with the help of your teacher or internet. That means this activity you should write in the notebook. Collect information. First one, seasonal rains in India and other countries. Means India means we can say southwest monsoon and northwest monsoon. We get rains in the months of June, July, August, September from southwest monsoon. October and November rain we get from northeast monsoon. Rains in countries like UK which experience spring, summer, autumn and winter. Collect more information about this from internet or other sources. Talk about your favorite season. 1 minute activity. Now this activity cannot be done now, so you should do this activity in front of your parents. Let them observe and you prepare yourself and present 1 minute speech. Now language study. I have already explained alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech in which same sounding words occur in a line sounding in the beginning of the words. Same sounds. The words, two or more words begin with the same sound is called alliteration. Example, Naina reads new notebooks. I have already explained this in the earlier video. Find an example of alliteration from the poem. Green grasses grow. Collect other examples of alliteration. Other examples you can get last year's poem, that means 6th standard, 5th standard, in 7th standard textbook. You can search and write answer. Thank you.